Hi guys, it's Mascot. Welcome back to my channel. I can't believe I'm sitting in my room right now and filming a video. I haven't talked to the camera like this in ages in my room. If you didn't notice, I took a break from YouTube for around a month. I had quite a few things going on that I will be talking about. First of all, I just want to say I'm so excited to be back. And also, quickly before we get into this video, let me know down below in the comment section what you have been up to this past month. I know a lot of you have had exams. Some of you have been going into lockdown. Comment down below everything that's been happening and we can have a chat in the comment section down below. I just finished year 12. That meant that I had to do exams and I was going to upload at the same time, but I knew that if I was going to make a video, it would stop me from studying, and it was like the conflict between, do I edit for 7 hours straight or do I study for 7 hours straight? And I had to put my all into exams because I knew that I would regret it if I didn't. That is why I took a break from YouTube, because I knew that if I started editing, I would just get carried away. So the past month has been crazy. Like, there have been so many events at school, and just letting you guys know, I filmed it all. So I have so many school vlogs coming up that I'm so excited to edit and upload for you, because I know you guys love school vlogs. And after that, I'm so excited for the next chapter. I'm going to be going to university next year. I'm going to be focusing on YouTube. So you guys can expect a lot of new content, college vlogs. I know in different places around the world, you guys call it college, we call it university. But yeah, I finished exams and I feel so free. It's like so liberating. And my exams were pretty spread out. I had my music investigations exam, which I did in October. And then I had my English exam on the 10th of November. No more English. And then my business management exam on the 16th of November. Last exam today! Woo! I think they all went alright. Like, I don't want to predict anything because I genuinely don't know, especially in a year like 2020. But we'll wait and see. We get our results back on the 31st of December. New Year's. I actually also got the iPhone 12 a few days ago, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, so expect that. On the summer holidays, I'm also going to be going to Sydney. I'm so excited. Summer is very soon for us in Australia. In the Northern Hemisphere, it's like winter at the moment. No, soon to be winter. But yes, I'm planning on going to Sydney and meeting up with my amazing friends, Chelsea and Ali. Very excited to film, content, vlog. I'm gonna be at the beach a lot because the weather. Today's 32 degrees. How crazy is that? It's boiling. I am dying right now. But I'm gonna go like outside my backyard and maybe chill in the sun or go to the beach. Who knows, I'm a free girl, I can do whatever the frick I want. And I also might go travel with a few friends just around the state here in Victoria, so we'll see how we go. The best feeling about finishing exams is, I was talking about this with my friend the other day, when you're out doing something, you don't feel guilty for not studying. It's the best feeling, I love it, and I'm so excited to just focus on YouTube, focus on actually advancing my social life, you know what I mean? Like, we were stuck inside like basically all year. Let's do a little COVID-19 update because I haven't updated you guys about that in a while. So we went into a very, very hard lockdown in Victoria for a few months. This was the second lockdown that we went into. We are now opening back up. We have had 0 cases for 20 days across the state. Like, it's actually amazing. I'm so happy to be able to go out again with my friends and finally make the most of life as a teenager. Where's she at? There she is. I know a lot of you guys are still in lockdown or are just going back into lockdown right now, and I want to share my tips with you because I know how hard it is to be stuck at home all the time. Here are my 3 tips. So my first tip is to have a side hustle, have something that you're looking forward to doing every day, and make sure you really enjoy doing that side hustle, because otherwise you're just gonna get really tired trying to balance whatever else you do and then your side hustle. So make sure you really love what you're doing in your side hustle. For me, it was YouTube when I was in lockdown. My YouTube channel literally got me through 2020. It's just something to focus on that I really enjoyed. My second tip is exercise. Have a workout routine and literally like make yourself do it. Discipline is so important during lockdown, because if you don't do something that you planned, you'll probably get into a rut and it's just not a good cycle. I've been there before. And my third tip is change something in your life. So whether it be your room or your hair, maybe be a little careful with cutting your hair during lockdown, because I know for some people in lockdown it didn't turn out that great. And what else could you do to change? I don't know, try different makeup looks every day, do something different every day. Like that really does help. The routine gets boring every day in lockdown, so you just gotta switch it up. And I'm sending all my love to you guys who are still in lockdown or are going into one. I think that is all for the update today. I'm so excited to live my life and go on with adulthood. Oh my, I'm literally 17. And I'm excited to take you along with me on this journey. So that is what I've been doing this past month. Let me know down below in the comment section what you have been up to, and I will see you guys very, very soon with another video. I love you. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. My battery's running low. Bye. Oh, it's so hot.
Clueless when you're gone.